Spun yarn now enters the winding stage for quality refinement. Weft yarns are interlaced with warp threads to form fabric.
Finishing rollers provide a smooth, flat surface.
Tailors use high-quality fabric to produce formal pants and shirts for menswear.
Customers select and purchase formal pants and shirts made from premium woven fabric.
Customers enjoy high-quality formal wear made from premium woven fabric.
The journey of formal pant and shirt fabric begins in cotton fields, where high-quality cotton is carefully cultivated.
When cotton bolls mature, pure fibers are revealed, ready for harvesting.
Short fibers are removed to improve yarn strength and smoothness.
Only long, premium fibers continue forward for formal fabric production.
Fiber alignment ensures smooth and durable yarn.
The fiber web is condensed into a refined combed sliver.
Uniformity and cleanliness are visually verified. Combing significantly reduces yarn hairiness.
Automated systems ensure consistent sliver weight.
Finished combed slivers are collected for spinning.
Continuous production is maintained without stopping the process.
Strength testing ensures suitability for formal wear yarn.
Improved slivers move forward in the process. Combed slivers are transferred to the spinning department. The refined fibers are now ready to be transformed into yarn.
The spinning process begins by drawing and aligning the refined cotton fibers.
Multiple slivers are combined to improve yarn uniformity.
Fibers are stretched evenly to reduce thickness variations. Automated systems monitor fiber consistency continuously.
The drawn sliver is now converted into roving. A light twist gives the fibers temporary strength. Uniform roving bobbins are prepared for final spinning.
Roving bobbins are transferred to ring spinning machines.
Fibers are stretched further to reach final yarn fineness.
Final twisting gives the yarn its required strength. Consistent spinning ensures strong and smooth yarn.
Automatic systems detect and correct yarn breaks instantly.
Operators ensure uninterrupted yarn formation.
Finished yarn is wound onto spindles. Yarn thickness is continuously monitored.
Completed yarn packages are removed for inspection. Spun yarn is transported to winding and inspection. The yarn is now ready for winding and quality inspection. Spun yarn now enters the winding stage for quality refinement.
Electronic clearers detect yarn imperfections in real time.
Thick places are automatically removed.
Thin and weak sections are also eliminated. Automatic knotting ensures continuous yarn flow.
Clean yarn is wound into uniform cones. Correct tension prevents yarn breakage in weaving.
Each cone undergoes final visual inspection.
Approved cones are labeled for traceability.
Finished yarn cones move to the warping department. The warping process begins by arranging yarns in parallel order. Hundreds of yarns are drawn together to form the warp.
Warp length is precisely controlled. Balanced tension ensures uniform fabric structure.
Yarns are wound into a complete warp beam.
Sensors immediately detect any yarn break. Operators quickly restore yarn continuity. The warp beam reaches its final length. Each beam is labeled for precise weaving control.
Warp beams are transferred to the weaving department.
Weaving begins by mounting the warp beam onto looms.
Weft yarns are interlaced with warp threads to form fabric. Plain weave structure begins to develop for formal fabric.
Fabric width is monitored to maintain consistency.
Sensors detect any broken threads instantly.
Operator repairs broken threads without stopping production.
Fabric gradually forms with uniform interlacing.
Woven fabric is collected onto take-up roller continuously.
Fabric is continuously inspected for defects.
Minor weaving errors are corrected immediately.
High-efficiency looms continue fabric production across the hall. Fabric edges remain straight and smooth for formal garment quality.
Plain weave is confirmed to meet quality standards.
Fabric roll is completed and ready for inspection.
Every inch of fabric is checked for weaving inconsistencies. Any defects are clearly marked for correction or removal.
Edge and surface uniformity are verified along the full roll.
Magnified inspection confirms fabric meets formal wear quality standards.
Approved fabric rolls are labeled and prepared for the next process.
Fabric is prepared for dyeing to achieve the desired formal colors.
Fabric undergoes desizing to remove starch and prepare for even dye absorption.
Scouring cleans the fabric, removing natural waxes and dirt. Bleaching enhances fabric whiteness for pastel and light-colored formal fabrics. Dye solution is precisely prepared for consistent color penetration.
Fabric absorbs dye evenly for vibrant, uniform coloration.
Color penetration is checked continuously to avoid uneven dyeing. Excess dye is removed to prevent bleeding in finished garments. Fabric is dried evenly to set the dye and prepare for finishing treatments.
Final dye quality is verified before the fabric proceeds to washing and finishing.
Soft movement ensures uniform washing without damaging fabric.
Shrinkage control treatment stabilizes fabric dimensions. Wrinkle resistance is applied for easy maintenance in formal garments. Fabric hand feel is enhanced with softening treatment. Fabric is dried while maintaining strength and appearance. Fabric hand feel is verified for softness and smoothness.
Finishing rollers provide a smooth, flat surface.
Fabric is stabilized and prepared for the next stage of heat setting.
Fabric is now fully washed, finished, and ready for dimensional stability treatments.
Keep the tension steady on that left side.
Got it. Look straight now.
Heat stabilizes fiber structure, preventing future shrinkage.
Calendaring produces crisp and professional finish on fabric surface.
Fabric surface is perfectly smooth, ready for quality verification.
Operator verifies crisp finish and uniform surface quality.
Heat set and calendared fabric is now stable, smooth, and ready for inspection.
Each fabric roll undergoes a final quality check for color, texture, and strength.
Strength of the fabric is measured to ensure durability for formal wear.
Fabric passes final quality check and is approved for garment production.
Fabric passes final quality check and is approved for garment production.
This navy roll is perfect.
Secure the edge and tag it.
Each roll is labeled to track production and delivery information.
Packed rolls are protected for safe delivery to garment manufacturers.
Fabric is transported efficiently to garment manufacturers. Tailors use high-quality fabric to produce formal pants and shirts for menswear.
Tailors use high-quality fabric to produce formal pants and shirts for menswear.
Customers select and purchase formal pants and shirts made from premium woven fabric.
Customers enjoy high-quality formal wear made from premium woven fabric.
Woven fabric.